Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to post two pictures on Instagram. So if you want to post two different pictures on Instagram at the same time, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to post two pictures on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. This could be on Android and could be on iPhone. Once opened, locate and click on the plus icon on the navigation. And here, make sure you select post. So if you have story, reels, just swipe through and then make sure you select post. Then once you selected post, you should have access to all your photos here. Now for you to post two different pictures on Instagram at the same time, all you just need to do is this. Locate this button beside the camera button and then click on it. Then you should see this interface that allows you to choose multiple pictures at the same time. Now go ahead and select the two pictures you want to send on Instagram. So let's say this picture and then this. Then if you have unwanted picture selected that you want to remove, come here and uncheck it like this. Then it should say the picture you selected. Now, once you've selected the two pictures, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the next button at the top right. Then you should see the two pictures here. Now hit the next button. Once the two pictures loaded, then you'll be able to post the picture on your Instagram. You can just go ahead, write your caption, tag people, add location, add music, and then choose your audience and click on the share button. Once you hit the share button, these two pictures will be posted on your Instagram page. So that is basically how to post two pictures on Instagram at once. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.